Okay, everything is hooked up. Now we're gonna see if we have any fuel leaks, I guess. Now let's check for fuel leaks. Well, it started. We'll figure it out from here. All right, we're gonna give her another try. Well, it's on. It's still running like a crapola, but it's on. Stay tuned. To be continued.
Hey, what's going on, tubers? Hope you're all having a good day. Today's the day after, the day and a half after we got the carb inside the car, and we got it tuned a little bit last night. Shane helped get that thing dialed in pretty good. So we'll see if it cold starts today. You guys ready for a cold start? This is a cold start of the brand new Chinese 40 IDF carburetor for the VW Bug. And we'll see if we can get her started and idling. Okay, hold on. Well, there it is, rotor bug. It's been sitting all night since yesterday. Like I said, I drove it down to Shane's to tuned and adjusted. The biggest problem we had with this was the linkage. And if you saw the previous video that I posted up on Facebook, I had cylinders 1 and 2 crossed. That's why I was running a little rough. It's a little windy out here today, folks. A little breezy. There it is. Let's try and get you a cold start here and see what happens. Let me get you set up. We'll get you set up. Spot where maybe the wind won't hurt your ears too bad or blow the camera over. All right. Let's get her cold started. It's gonna drop down a couple inches. Don't be saying nothing. Come on now, be nice. First we're gonna try no gas pedal. No gas pedal, just crank. Fuel pump. Cranking her over. Oh, gotta give her gas probably. I heard that they don't like cold starts very much on these carburetors. No chokes. got it pretty much cleaned out today. So let me get it set up inside and we'll try to take it for a ride.